Hello everyone, welcome back to INFOMINUTES. In this video, we are going to see how to back up folder or files in Google Drive. Before going to video, don't forget to subscribe our channel. First of all, download and install Google Drive. Download it in official website. Google Drive provides 15 GB free storage. For further storage, you need to pay certain amount. Once you install Drive, sign in using Gmail account. Now separate disk is created in your PC. It is accessible only if you connected to network. To back up the file, just copy and paste it in the Google Drive section. In case of folder, right-click the folder which you want to back up. Select the option, Sync or Backup this folder. Now you are prompted to select two options. If your folder contains only photos and videos, then select Backup to Google Photos option. Otherwise, select Sync with Google Drive. Save the changes to back up the folder. In Taskbar, we can see the status of the file uploading. Once it turned green tick, file is uploaded in Drive. This file can be accessed from any device and from anywhere. To pause the sync feature, untick the backup option and save the changes. To delete the folder or file in Drive, just delete is same as normal delete process. Check out this video how to share Drive files or folder to your friends. I hope you learned a new trick and enjoyed the video. Thanks for checking this out. I'll see you in the next video.